real exam questions. This is question 43 about slab design and general. Why is the secondary reinforcement used for one-way slabs? Show that the secondary reinforcement is at least 1/5 of the main reinforcement. Instead of secondary reinforcement, you can also use the redistribution reinforcement. Secondary or redistribution reinforcement is the reinforcement perpendicular to the direction of the main reinforcement. And you have to take the secondary reinforcement into consideration because there are always bending moments perpendicular to the main direction. The minimum reinforcement for crack control and brittle failure must be put. And the shrinkage acts, of course, in all directions, so you also have a minimum reinforcement to counteract the shrinkage effect. And it's also needed for the spreading of the loads. So non-uniform loading can lead to bending moments perpendicular to the main direction. Now we will show why the secondary reinforcement must be at least 1/5 of the main reinforcement. The bending moment in the y direction is, of course, for elastic medium equal to the stress times the modulus of section or the section modulus of resistance. Then the stress in the y direction is, of course, equal to E epsilon y, but E in the modulus of elasticity in the x direction for the concrete is the same as in the y direction for the concrete. So this E is also equal to the sigma x divided by epsilon x. And sigma x, again, now we can convert it with a similar equation like my is equal to sigma y wy, but in the x direction. And then we will have this expression. We know that the nu coefficient of Poisson is equal to the ratio of the strain in the two different directions. So we can use this in this equation. And this means that when you look at the ratio of the bending moments in the two directions, that this is proportional, is constant, is proportional to the resisting bending moments, or is proportional to the section modulus of resistance. Now, when you have an isotropic material, when Wy is equal to Wx, in most cases is this, then you end up with my over mx is equal to nu, which is 0.2 for concrete. So you see here that the secondary reinforcement is at least 1/5 of the main reinforcement. This equation means that if you look at it closely, that when nu is 0, this means by cracked concrete, in fact, there is no redistribution reinforcement needed because it's 0. And y is 0 because this is 0. And when Wy is 0, then also you will not need any redistribution reinforcement, which is obvious.